The MagSlider Lid means enjoying a hot drink from our Rambler Tumblers without worrying about spills. Unlike other slider lids, ours harnesses the power of magnets for smooth opening and closing. Magnets also makes for easy cleaning. Pop the MagSlider off, rinse, dry, and return it to the lid. Crystal clear lid so you can always see if you're in need of a top off. This lid will not fit the YETI Wine Tumbler. The MagSlider Lid is spill-resistant, shatter-resistant, and BPA-free. Note: this is for the lid-only Rambler sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Don't be afraid of buying one. This is a legit lid that should just come standard with all Yetis. I have quite a few YETI products and with my experience, I was not afraid to order another, so I got this as a gift for my mother as she uses her 20 ounces tumbler for coffee every morning. She always complained about the open lid that comes standard with Yetis. So, I had her test this out and it performs as a YETI product should. The magnet mechanism works great, much better than I thought it would. And, because it is magnetic, it comes off, which is awesome for cleaning under the slider, which is never possible with normal coffee mugs. I now have these lids for my 20 and 30 ounces tumblers and I call it a must. It is not spill-proof, just spill-resistant as a disclaimer, as a bit will drip out over time. Awesome product. Don't be afraid to take a chance on one.